Do you ever wonder why energy is a part of our everyday lives? Energy is essential to our lives. The use of less energy could decrease air and water pollution, preventing us from dying or being unable to cooperate. Without devices like cell phones, air conditioner, and more, life would be boring and take up an important part of our life.
Oh my God, it is too loud in here. Like, come on, I need to get my grader from Miss Philisha class.
I have a headache. It's way too bright.
Maybe we could turn some of the lights on.
Want to go to the greenhouse? It's all natural lights in there. We can go in there and study.
We can. I mean, I got some work to make up for it too.
Y'all want to go?
Sure.
It's so hot in here.
That's what we said.
Go.
Not too hot for the chickens.
Did you guys know that the greenhouse in the school can create its own energy and also create greenhouse gases for the plants?
And we also have natural light to study.
And this is good because then we can save energy for the school. And by saving energy, we create a lamp for studying that uses less energy.
But we really don't have time for that. Can we build something right now?
We can come back to teachers and have a soft area where
Energy saving light bulbs!
All right, kids, let's get to class.
Hey, Miss Philisha.
Yes.
You get a soft area in your room with
Energy saving light bulbs. I think I have a few energy saving light bulbs in my classroom. Give me 5 minutes.
Did you guys know the school itself uses almost 10 kilowatts an hour a day, and they also spend $164,000 on utilities a year?
See, this is calm, peaceful, and we can get our work done.
Did you know that schools typically use around 10 kilowatts of energy for 50 cubic feet of natural gas emissions?
Schools use the most energy to light classroom lights and to maintain the room temperatures.
There you go.
Lighting accounts for 50% of electric bills in schools.
The production of energy can affect climate change.
You save 8% more energy when you turn off the lights or leave in the room.
Do you guys know that school districts in the U.S. spend about $8 billion each year on energy?
That's why our school's trying to invest in energy saving lamps to save power and save energy.
As much as 30% of the school's district energy is used unnecessarily.